We're coming to you live from our studios here at MS24. Welcome to MS Breaks. My name is Kwabena Amia. Coming up, former Vice Chancellor of the University of Ghana, Professor Ernest Aryeetey, urges government to borrow despite Ghana's rising public debt stock. Now to the details. Former Finance Minister under the erstwhile Mahama administration, Seth Terkper, has touted the NDC's management of Ghana's oil revenue as their biggest achievement. Now, according to Seth Terkper, the NDC administration recorded impressive gains in petroleum sector revenue inflows. Speaking at the media briefing on Friday, the former minister chided the MPP government over what he describes as poor management of the petroleum sector.
We left obviously was petroleum revenues, particularly well, Mills Mahama were in charge of Jubilee. You would say that. So, if you are left with 3 oil fields, is that a bad thing? Is that a terrible legacy to leave? You know, and yes, it may be, maybe, you know, these are oil fields that are not generating, you know, revenue. You know, so we like to interrogate to see whether really they are generating revenues and whatever. So we do have this from the, now you can see that in terms of, it's only Jubilee that flowed to all 3 of them. Tenfield and Sankofa flowed exclusively to only the current administration. So that alone should tell you, you know, what kind of legacy, you know, was left. But we show here that Mills got about 50 million flowing into the economy. This is Ghana share. Ghana cedi, US dollars, 51 million. Professor Mills, 115 million. Sorry, Mahama 115. And the Nanado current administration is 214, you know, a million. These are the percentages. So you can see that the percentages are speaking for themselves already. If I leave you 100%, you know, legacy, I never even earned anything from it. You know, they accrue to you, and you say it's a terrible economy to live. I think we want, you know, that judgment.
Now, away from that, economist and former Vice Chancellor of the University of Ghana, Professor Ernest Aryeetey, has urged government to continue borrowing if the situation demands. Now, according to Professor Aryeetey, despite Ghana's rising public debt stock, government must borrow to mitigate the impact of COVID-19 on the economy. He was, however, quick to add that government must invest in productive sectors to quicken the pace of Ghana's economic recovery. Professor Aryeetey was speaking at the 2020 Vikings Alumni Celebrity Lecture at Sabah Hall at the University of Ghana.
I said you can borrow. It will be poor advice to tell the Ghana government don't borrow. But what I can do is give conditions that need to be met as you borrow. 1, are you borrowing for things that are essential in the sense that not only do they take care of the survival of vulnerable people, but they also ensure that the recovery is more or less guaranteed, that they ensure that the recovery at least will take place with a higher level of probability of success. That is the most important thing. So as you borrow, Ghanaians need to ask themselves the question, do we know what the borrowing is for? And the borrowing, is it going to what it is meant to go to? And therefore, has a higher likelihood of leading to recovery.
Now, following the impact of COVID-19 on the incomes of a section of Ghanaians, Electroland Ghana Limited has launched the Stay Home Enjoy promotion ahead of the Christmas festivities. Now, according to the head of marketing and media relations, Adiza Ibrahim, the initiative by Electroland is geared towards reducing the devastating effect of the pandemic on households in Ghana. Now, Adiza Ibrahim was speaking to MS24 at a roadshow here in Accra.
Electroland Ghana Limited has launched the Stay Safe and Enjoy Christmas promotion. For all the 4 amazing top best brands we have, as COVID-19, a lot of people want to celebrate Christmas, but they are still holding back because for some people, the year hasn't been good in terms of money. Just like the name itself, stay safe and enjoy promotion. It's Christmas. Regardless there's COVID-19, we are assuring the customers that they can still come and shop in conducive environment, walk away with huge discounts, and on top of the discounts, also get some freebies. So for as low as 949, you can get a NASCO LED satellite television, and for as low as 1799, you can also get a NASCO UHD flat 50 inches. And so in the Samsung, in the media, you can also get, with just 1699, you can get a media 1.5 horsepower air conditioner. And it's Christmas, people will want to chill or stock their food for a long time. So if you have just 799, you can get 100 liters media chest freezer.
Now it's time to look at the performance of the cedi against the major trading currencies. I'll begin with the US dollar selling at 5 cedis 71 pesos with the same, for the buying price at 5 cedis 71 pesos. The pound sterling pegged at 7 cedis 59 pesos with the Japanese yen pegged at 0.05. Let's shift focus to the commodities market. Gold selling at $1,866 per ounce with cocoa pegged at $2,753 per metric ton. Crude prices pegged at $45 per barrel. And so, of course, these are the figures to rely on for those within the financial sector. And that's it for MS Breaks. My name is Kwabena Amya. Keep watching MS24.